Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all, students? I hope all of you are fine. So firstly, recite a dua. Rabbi zidni ilma. O Allah, increase me in knowledge. Today I'm back with a new theme. So students, what is that? Today we are going to look at compare and contrast. That's mean same and different. So we will see what is same and what is different. So when we compare, we tell that what is the same about two or more things. And when we contrast, you will tell what is different about two or more things. So now here is an example of two animals like a cow and a horse. Cow has four legs, two horns. Cow is a mammal and it make a sound of moo. And the horse make a sound of whinnying and it is fast animal and have four legs and also a mammal. So now we will draw Venn diagram. टू सर्कल्स लाइक दिस हमने ऐसे टू सर्कल्स की तरह एक डायग्राम बनानी है एंड वन साइड वी विल राइट द ट्रेड ऑफ ओनली cow and which are different from horse which is horn and moo. Like this we will write the horse trait that are whinny and fast which are not present in cow. So now in the middle of the circle write the compare of two animals which are same in both. They both are mammals and have four legs. So now students, I have some topics for you and of compare and contrast to do an activity. Here are 5 topics. You will choose one of them. The topics are cats and dogs, bees and ants, oranges and bananas, earth and moon, plants and animals. And make a Venn diagram like this on your notebook and write the compare and contrast of topics you will choose. Okay, and make sure that do your work neat and clean. Now open your workbook, mention the date and day on your planner. Here is a creative writing compare and contrast we will do today, page number 63 and 64. Okay, so now open page number 63. Mention the date and day firstly. Here is a creative writing compare and contrast. Compare and contrast the two animals below and how they alike and how are they different. So we have two animals, tiger and elephant. So we will write firstly compare of tiger and elephant. So what are the similarities do you think they have? Yes, the firstly we will write elephant and tiger are mammals living on land. Okay, they both fight to survive and both of them are strong, powerful and dangerous too. And also they live in groups. Now we will write the difference between them. So what is the difference? Yes, elephant is much bigger than the tiger. And what they eat? Elephant eats grass and plants, but tiger eats flesh. And also elephants will let you ride them, but tigers will not. So there are some similarities and difference between the two animals, tiger and elephant. Now open page number 64. Here we will do creative writing on my favorite season. So students, How many seasons are there? Yes, four seasons. That's are summer, winter, autumn, and spring. And which season do you like most? Alright, but I like spring season. So you will write here the name of your favorite season. Okay, so why do you like this season? Tell me your reason. It is my favorite because spring is a beautiful season. The flowers bloom everywhere. Here you will write why do you like the season. Okay? So now next you will write the weather of your favorite season. Like in my favorite season, the weather is medium with pleasant breeze. It is neither cold nor very hot. In many parts of the world, plants grow and flowers bloom. So, you have to write the weather of your favorite season like winter, summer, autumn. Okay? And also, kids, draw your favorite season on a page and color it, then send the picture of your drawing. We will post on Facebook. Okay? Now, stay safe and sound. Fi amanillah.